Are you looking to maximize the value of your industrial robots and explore refurbishment options for your facility? Welcome to today's webinar. I'm Andrea Puglielli, After Sales Segment Leader of Comau, and I'll be your host as we explore the fascinating world of extending the lives of complex equipment. We'll be drawing parallel between the incredibly challenging repairs of the Hubble Space Telescope, orbiting high above us, and the crucial task of refurbishing industrial robots here on Earth. These two might seem like an odd pairing. One is a window into the universe, the other a workhorse of modern manufacturing. Yet, they share a common thread: the need for refurbishment and maintenance to maximize their value and keep them operating at peak performance. To guide our exploration, we'll be diving into 3 distinct chapters. Firstly, we'll uncover how a series of groundbreaking servicing missions transformed Hubble's initial 15-year lifespan into a multi-decade triumph, showcasing the power of strategic intervention in extending the life of a complex and valuable asset. We'll then shift our focus to the factory floor, delving into the practical benefits of refurbishing industrial robots. We'll explore how this process extends lifespan, boosts efficiency, and delivers significant cost savings. Finally, we'll demonstrate how proactive refurbishment strategies can help businesses stay competitive and ensure long-term value in a rapidly evolving industrial landscape, emphasizing the strategic advantage of planned maintenance. Orbiting hundreds of miles above Earth, Hubble has provided us with breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data about the cosmos. But the harsh environment of space takes its toll, from radiation exposure to micrometeoroid impacts. When Hubble was launched in 1990, its initial projected lifespan was considerably shorter than what we have experienced. However, the foresight to design Hubble for in-space servicing became its saving grace. This servicing mission, while incredibly complex, have been crucial to its continued operation, turning what could have been a short-lived marvel into a decades-long triumph. These servicing missions were not just repairs, they were life-extending procedures. They transformed Hubble's initial 15-year forecast into a multi-decade legacy. Each mission tackled critical issues and introduced cutting-edge technology, effectively reinventing the telescope. Hubble's primary mirror had a flaw, causing blurry images. So in 1993, with Servicing Mission 1, astronauts installed corrective optics that effectively gave Hubble eyeglasses. In 1997, Servicing Mission 2 focused on upgrading instruments, expanding Hubble's observational capabilities into different wavelengths. Servicing Mission 3A and 3B in 1999 and 2002 were split due to gyroscope failures, vital for Hubble's pointing and stability. Astronauts replaced gyroscopes and other essential hardware, ensuring the telescope could continue its observation. Servicing Mission 4 in 2009 was the last one. It not only installed advanced instruments, but also replaced aging components, ensuring Hubble's continued operation well beyond its original expectation. This mission truly demonstrated the power of proactive maintenance and strategic upgrades. Just as the Hubble lifespan was dramatically extended from 15 to 35 years, the same principle applies to the machines we rely on here on Earth. This brings us to the factory floor, where industrial robots like Hubble benefit immensely from refurbishment. These robots are the backbone of countless manufacturing processes, performing tasks from welding and assembly to packaging. But like any machine, they wear down over time. Wear and tear on components like gears, cables, and motors can lead to decreased precision, reduced speed, and even complete failure. Instead of replacing the entire robot, which means a significant investment, refurbishment offers a cost-effective solution. Refurbishment involves a comprehensive process. Technicians inspect, clean, and repair or replace worn components. The benefits are numerous. Address the challenge of obsolete spare parts, extended lifespan, improved performance, upgrades implementation, significant cost savings, often up to 70% compared to purchasing a new robot. Now, to truly bring this process to life and show you the intricate details involved, we've prepared a short video. This video will take you inside our facility and walk you through the various stages of your robot refurbishment process, from initial inspection to the complete overhaul and rigorous testing. A well-refurbished robot, like those we provide at Comau, can perform just as well as a new one, often at a fraction of the cost. This allows manufacturers to maintain their production lines without breaking the bank, maximizing the value of their existing equipment. Beyond the immediate cost savings, refurbishment plays a crucial role in promoting sustainability. By extending the lifespan of industrial robots, we reduce the need for raw materials and energy associated with manufacturing new equipment. This translates to a smaller carbon footprint and a more responsible approach to resource management. At Comau, we are committed to minimizing waste and maximizing the life cycle of our products, contributing to a more sustainable future for manufacturing. Then, which similarities between Hubble repairs and robot refurbishment? While the environments and purposes are vastly different, there are some interesting parallels. Both involve extending the lifespan of complex and expensive machines. Both require highly skilled technicians and engineers, and both offer significant cost savings compared to replacement. Think of the sheer ingenuity and dedication it took to not only build something so complex, but to then send humans to fix it in the unforgiving vacuum of space. That passion to keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible is the same passion we bring to every robot we refurbish. We have explored the remarkable longevity of the Hubble Space Telescope and the practical benefits of industrial robot refurbishment. Now, let's look ahead and discuss how proactive refurbishment can future-proof your operations and ensure long-term value. In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, staying competitive requires more than just reacting to breakdowns. It demands a strategic approach to maintenance and equipment lifecycle management. That's where proactive refurbishment comes in. By implementing a proactive refurbishment strategy, you can significantly reduce unexpected downtime, optimize equipment performance, and create predictable maintenance costs. This approach also allows you to adapt to changing production needs and integrate new technology as they become available. Consider a company that regularly refurbishes its robot rather than waiting for them to fail. They experience significantly less downtime, maintain consistent production quality, and extend the lifespan of their valuable asset. This strategic investment in refurbishment translates to a competitive advantage and long-term value. At Comau, we work closely with our clients to develop customized refurbishment plans that align with their specific needs and goals. Our experts can assess your equipment, identify potential issues, and recommend proactive solutions to maximize the lifespan and performance of your robots. We believe that by partnering with us, you can future-proof your operation and ensure long-term success. In today's webinar, we have explored the profound impact of refurbishment on complex equipment, drawing parallels between the extraordinary longevity of the Hubble Space Telescope and the practical benefits of industrial robot refurbishment. We began by delving into the remarkable story of the Hubble Space Telescope, highlighting how strategic servicing missions extended its operational lifespan, transforming it into a decades-long source of scientific discovery. We then transitioned to the factory floor, examining the tangible advantages of refurbishing industrial robots. We explored how this process enhanced performance, increased reliability, and delivered substantial cost savings. Finally, we looked to the future, demonstrating how proactive refurbishment strategies can help businesses stay competitive and ensure long-term value in a rapidly evolving industrial landscape. We emphasized how proactive maintenance and refurbishment can be a strategic advantage. If you are looking to maximizing the value of your industrial robots and explore refurbishment options for your facility, we encourage you to get in touch with us. Our team of experts can assess your needs and provide tailored solutions to keep your production running smoothly and efficiently. Visit our website and fill in the after-sales form by selecting robotic and automation products as interest and refurbishment as type of required service. Thank you for joining us today for Maximizing Value, Refurbishment from Orbit to Earth. We hope you find this webinar informative and engaging. Have a great day.